Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation that you see right here from year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the heated mirrors is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the heated mirrors fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry guys, right here. Now you have two different fuse boxes in this car guys, and we'll be working just one of them. That fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Open the door on the driver's side. Look above the pedals, all the way under the dash. You need to be upside down. You will see towards the left side one white cover. Open it. Underneath it you will find a fuse box layout that will look just like this one that you see right here. But before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here now guys, for the heated mirrors, which fuse you need to check. First, never assume anything about fuse numbers. We'll demonstrate why. This is fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is fuse 38. Why? We don't know. Then it goes back to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 31. Excuse me, and then 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, no, that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yep. But the fuse that we need to check guys here now is actually fuse number 2. This is very important fuse guys, okay, right here. And one of the functions is for the heated mirrors. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.